My name is Audrey McHenry. I'm a academic designer for Inspire Science.
My name is Belkis Ziron, and I'm also an academic designer.
Inspire Science has many opportunities for differentiated instruction in our program. We have dedicated interleaf pages for the teacher to browse to be used at different points in the lessons. They can be used instead of the inquiry activities that are in the book, or they can be used as extensions, and they can also be used as remediation.
EL is English language support for students that are learning the English language. We provide support for them at the module level and at the lesson level. We like to provide the teacher with strategies and also with differentiated activities or scaffolding activities. We target emerging, bridging, and expanding group students.
Inspire Science integrates differentiated instruction at many levels in the modules that we have in our program. They begin with a module level where each student can take a different path.
For differentiated instructions, we definitely have plenty of content within the lesson, and that helps students, target students to learn the content.
And depending on what concept they're going over as a class, each student will level differently in those lessons.
Right.
So sometimes that student will go above what they need to understand, and sometimes the teacher can adjust for that.
And you mentioned something really interesting. The inquiry spectrum is amazing because you're not only targeting the kids or the students that are on level, but you're also targeting the gifted students. You're targeting the students that already got it, and you're just pushing them a little bit more. You're challenging them to cover more content or to go beyond what was taught in class. When we take a look at the teacher support, we provide DI and EL support in the interleaf pages. We have plenty of strategies and plenty of activities that teachers can use, so that cuts down on the planning on that side. Being former teachers, I think that really helped us develop the program and see it from their point of view. So we are very excited about the strategies that we include in the program, about the alternative activities. There are plenty of those that the teachers can use. We all know that students are very different from one another, so you need different strategies for each of them to target emerging versus bridging versus expanding students. We have a phenomena-driven learning, which helps our EL students, our EL population of students, because we focus on a real-world phenomenon that applies to every student. It's something that every student can relate to. It's something that they can tie it with background information that they have or previous experiences that they have. So it really targets all students. It's really inclusive.